You have been begging me all morning to come out. This is an everyday routine with this guy in the winter. Hey, come right here. Hi. Mama's right here. You want to come out? Gotta give me a kiss if you want to come out. Come on. Right here. Want to give me a kiss? I'll let you out. You want to come out? Hi. I'm right here. Are you blind? Did you lose me? I'm right here. You gotta give me kisses if you want to come out. Yeah. Give me kisses. I'll let you come out with me. Okay. Want to come out? You want to come out and spend some time with me? Yes, I love you. All right, hold on. Let me get up off the floor here. I can't pick you up with your weight on the floor. Come on. Come on, Mose. Let's go. I have to be careful because I broke my right wrist 6 months ago and it didn't heal back right. So I have to be real careful about carrying heavy weight around. You are one big boy. You got a runny nose today. Have to keep an eye on that, huh? You okay? No mucus, just a runny nose. Go hang out. Go do your thing. That's a workout moving this one. That better? Huh? He only eats about every 3 weeks. He eats 2 jumbo rats or 2 colossal rats every 3 to 4 weeks. So he's not big from food. He's big from exercise and activities. People don't realize that. Your snakes don't really build up a lot of muscles laying around in an enclosure all the time. I'm sorry I sound bad. I'm winded from moving him over here. I have to be careful with that wrist that I broke because if I move it wrong, it'll re-break again and it's not healed properly. I'm eventually going to have surgery done on it in the spring. I was going to do it during the winter, but it's just too cold to go through a healing process. What do you see? See the sunshine coming through the window, huh? It's very deceiving, trust me. Sound asleep. He wanted to curl up beside me and go to sleep. That's what he did. That's all he wanted out for, was to be close to me. And people say snakes don't have feelings and don't have emotions. Yes, they do. And see, my snazzy socks. But he just wanted to be near me and up against me and got there and went to sleep. That's all he wanted to come out for. Yep. People say they don't have emotions. Baloney. If you believe that, you shouldn't be keeping snakes, let me tell you. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart.